Oh, hello. Come in. Welcome to my student apartment. So this is a three-bedroom, three-bathroom apartment. When you enter, this is the common area, the sitting room. But in this apartment, we also have a patio. So here's the patio where you can entertain guests or just come and chill. Yeah, like I said, this is the common sitting room. We have a TV connected to the cable. This is our dining table. Okay. And we have a kitchen where three housemates share, like the cooking area, the refrigerator. We also have a pantry where we store all of our food stuff. So yeah. So when you come to this area, you then see the washing area. That's the washer, and the laundry area. That's the washer and the dryer. So we have in-unit laundry, and this is where we do our laundry. So this is the first room in this apartment. Yeah, my roommate stays there. And we have a long hallway that takes you to the two other bedrooms. So this is my second roommate's room, and then this is my room. So come on in. Welcome to my room. It's just a regular room. I have my bed, my study area, and I also do my videos in that place. As you can see, the microphone and the lights. I have my closet and this area and my bathroom. So now I'd like to show you guys this apartment common amenities. That's what everyone in this community shares. So let's go. So this is our sports arena. This is, I don't know what it is. What is it? Basketball, one-man basketball court. I don't know. But we have like a basketball court over there. It actually just rained. That's why you can see it looking all wet and mushy. But they play when it's dry. So we also have a swamp, but we are not allowed to go near there. So yeah, we're not allowed to go fish or there because there are gators. Yeah, so no swimming, no boating, no fishing. So this is my gym. I come here a couple of times in a week. And it's a pool. So I like that the pool is really So yeah, this is the pool area. You can come swim here or even like have pool parties. We have a barbecue stand over there. We have a barbecue stand over there. If you want to host a pool party slash barbecue, this is the spot for you. Yeah. This is my best feature about this community. I love the pool. I really love the pool. Hang out, just chill. So yeah, that's it for this video. So like I said, I stay in a 3-bedroom 3-bathroom apartment and I pay like $650 thereabouts, excluding electricity. So electricity monthly is like $25 to $35. This is a student apartment. The school bus doesn't come here, so if you don't have a car, this is not like a good part to stay for. With car is really affordable, cheap. It's one of the cheapest around, and it's okay. So thanks guys for watching this video. Do well to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Hit on the like button, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.